Welcome to the state of Meghalaya, also referred to as the Adobe of Clouds in the northeastern part of India. Here you can experience a journey filled with mountain valleys, dense forests, waterfall, and natural beauty. Approximately 80 kilometers from the capital city of Shillong lies the magnificent Phe Phe Falls. The journey from Shillong to Phe Phe Falls takes around 2 to 3 hours by road, depending on the traffic. To reach the bottom of the Phe Phe Falls, one has to embark on a short trek through the dense foliage, which adds an element of thrill and excitement to the journey. As you make your way to the falls, you will be greeted by the symphony of chirping birds and the fragrance of wildflowers, enhancing the overall experience. Cascading waters of the Phe Phe Falls create a mesmerizing sight as they plunge down from a considerable height into a serene pool below. You can click some beautiful photos here and say goodbye to the magnificent Phe Phe Falls. Around 15 kilometers from the Phe Phe Falls lies one of the most stunning waterfalls in the state of Meghalaya, Krangshuri Waterfalls, which draws tourists with its pristine beauty and tranquil surroundings. To reach to the bottom of the waterfall, you need to do a short trek, but with respect to Phe Phe Falls here, the route to the bottom is fully paved. You will be charged ₹50 per person to enter the waterfall. The waterfall is renowned for its crystal clear turquoise blue water, which cascades down from a height of about 100 feet. The water plunges into a large pool, creating a breathtaking sight. The pool at the base of the waterfall is perfect for swimming and bathing. You can also do boating at the top of the waterfall. You can also click some beautiful photos at the top and at the bottom of the waterfall. After visiting Krangshuri Waterfalls, we visited Shnongpdeng Village, which is around 33 kilometers from Krangshuri Waterfall. The village is a beautiful riverside village located in the Dauki region of Meghalaya. The village is situated on the banks of Umgot River near the India-Bangladesh border. The village is a popular destination for river-based activities such as boating, which will cost you 600 rupees per boat, in which maximum 3 people can be seated. The boating will take you to the breathtaking views of the Umgot River between the Khasi Hills and the Jaintia Hills. We also tried cliff jumping, which costed us 300 rupees per person but was such a good sporting experience. We also tried camping in the village. Camping by the riverside and waking up to the beautiful sunrise is a popular choice among travelers. The camping costed us 800 rupees per person, including dinner and breakfast. We also did kayaking in the Umgot River. The kayaking costed us 500 rupees per kayak. We also did zip lining across the Umgot River. The breathtaking aerial view while ziplining showcases the beauty of the Umgot River and the village. It is truly a mesmerizing sight that reminded us the wonders of nature. Shnongpdeng Village, with its stunning natural beauty, tranquil ambience, and some good adventurous activities, is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers like us. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we'll be visiting more such places in this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Until we meet again, keep exploring.